Welcome to Bosch Bytes, IP4 filtering. Since 2013, one of the most powerful built-in tools in all Bosch video devices is the IP4 filtering feature. This unique feature allows you to restrict access to any Bosch device down to a specific address pool and utilizes the basic fundamentals of subnetting. While older devices only supported 2 filtering rules, newer devices can support up to 20 unique filtering rules. Why is this such an important security feature? The real question is, who needs to talk to the camera in a VMS system? In a typical VMS system, there are very few devices that actually need to communicate directly with the IP camera. Base examples are as follows: the central server or management server of the system, the archiver NVR or system VRM, decoders if they're deployed, and depending on the VMS that you're using, video workstations. So there are really only a handful of devices that actually need to speak to your camera. In order to reduce the attack surface of your camera, what we can do is we can apply IP4 filtering. So how does it work? When adding an IP filter rule, you make 2 entries. Any base IP address that falls within the subnet rule that you create. Then you create a pseudo subnet mask that defines the IP addresses that the camera will accept communications from. Remember, this does not affect the actual IP address settings of the camera. Now, in the example that we're showing here, I've entered an IP address of 192.168.1.20, and I've added a pseudo subnet mask of 255.255.255.240. By entering the pseudo subnet of .240, I'm actually creating 16 smaller networks or pools to choose IP addresses from. When I enter the IP address of .20, I'm actually selecting a valid IP address in the .16 subnet. That means only IP addresses from .17 to .30 will be able to successfully communicate with my camera. The end result is any attempted communication to your IP camera from unauthorized devices or IP addresses outside your designated pool will be rejected by the camera. This concludes this module. Thank you.